Whether you are looking to make a sustainable income or some fast cash, there are plenty of ways to earn extra money with the wide-ranging opportunities offered online. However, it is necessary to be disciplined in your approach to making money. Also, it can help to enter an area that interests you to help stay focused and interested. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Here are 4 ways to make money online. Start a blog. One of the most sustainable and easiest options to make money online is by starting a blog. A well-planned blog that is based on the right niche with plenty of useful and unique content that targets a specific audience has the potential to make passive income over the long term. Many think the process of setting up a blog is difficult, but in fact the learning curve isn't too bad. There are several website building tools available to make creating an online presence quite straightforward. In the process of building a blog, you need to think about the offers or ways to make money, such as selling ebooks, full-blown training, mini-email courses, or similar. Email marketing. Email marketing is certain to appeal to anyone interested in online marketing. It starts with creating a website, setting up email software and then to develop a sales funnel that targets the right audience. The marketing material sent out to your list must deliver value and cannot simply be marketing related. Without a regular supply of high-quality content that engages your audience, it can be difficult to keep members subscribed to your list. There are several ways to get subscribers signing up to your list. A typical method is to use lead magnets like cheat sheets, checklists and ebooks. Also, there is the option to convert an article into a PDF to add extra resources such as audio files and video training courses. Webinar training. A very potent way to make money online is with webinar training. But this is only an option for those with in-depth knowledge on a particular subject that others want to learn about. Also, a website with a decent online presence and a product or service to sell is necessary. Develop apps. Learning to become an app developer is certain to appeal to many people. While it will be difficult to compete with the major brands and apps, there are still plenty of opportunities to think up a niche idea that can meet the needs of certain people. This can be something like a podcast organizer, a list and illustrations of yoga poses, a tip calculator, or anything that interests. Also, for those with a unique app idea but without the programming know-how to build an app, there is the option to hire someone to build it on your behalf. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.